morning all.
Hello.
This morning we're at Howitt Market. Howitt Park.
And there's a market
And
here.
there's a market on today, so we're going to go and have a bit of a look at that.
Bit of a look. It was raining last night quite a bit. This morning is grey, but there's patches of blue, so for the benefit of the market people, I hope it doesn't rain.
Should be fine. So let's go and have a look at the market.
Yep.
Just do a quick whiz around. There's quite a lot of stuff here. So the market's pretty busy today. Well, we're currently in the Christmas shop at the moment. Lots of stuff to see here.
Lots. This is one.
Right, we're on our little bike ride. We've got all the kids with us. Hi kids.
Hello. Hi.
And we've come to watch the guys come down with their parachutes. How cool is that? Just a perfect day for it. Oh, how graceful is that? Looks like he's getting ready for his descent. How much fun would this be? What do you think, guys?
That looks pretty fun. It'll also be pretty scary. I want to do it. I want to do it on a motor.
So quiet and peaceful. This looks like a lot of fun. Looks like he's coming in for his landing. And down she comes. Well done. Well, how was that? It was a good landing.
Yeah.
Well, we finally made it to Nightingale Brothers Alpine Produce, the apple farm. So how was the ride, guys?
It was good a while.
You did really well. And here comes the two slow coaches up the rear there.
Okay.
Well, this is a pretty good little place, this. See if we can see a bit more. You made it! Congratulations!
Wow.
And you made it too, Grandma.
Sorry? Pack that one.
So did we make it all right, guys?
We did. So slow and steady wins the race, doesn't it?
It was.
Are we the tortoise or the
The hares.
We're the tortoise.
Okay, coming into the cider place. Wow. Gosh, it's got just about everything here.
Even apples have nuts.
Ooh. Mango slices. Oh. This is pretty cool. Ooh, some nice apple berry pies. It's pretty cool. Oh, Robin, what do you want?
Oh yeah, just looking. Looking at lots of different things.
So, did you want some apples?
Yes, we'll go into the apple department.
Oh, boxes of apples and cider and...
I might just get some loose ones. I mean, we could get the Pink Lady if you like, or you can get them. There's a lot of loose ones. So what do you want?
So many decisions.
Or do you want a variety? Or we'll just get 4, 5, one for Jason.
Yeah, that's fine. We can do that.
Do you want Pink Lady or?
Yeah,
I think you can get anything. A mixture.
I think so. I think
okay,
so.
So we'll do a couple of these.
What are those ones?
Royal Gala or Handsy. I don't know what they're like.
Should take a bite out of it and have a sample.
Put it back, yeah. Actually, I'm sure you probably could have samples, I'm not sure. And then we'll get one special red one, a green one for...
No.
No.
Okay. Oh, look, Robin.
Oh,
Pears.
yum.
If anybody knows this, Robin hates pears.
I like pear juice and I like the flavour, but I can't eat the pear. It's like...
Oh, look, they've got all sorts of pears. Grapefruit. Oh, even got carrots, onions.
Oh yeah.
Gosh,
Fruit
it's
as
the
well.
whole,
That's pretty good.
spectrum.
It's great. It's very, yeah.
Come and have a little look at it.
It's a big place actually. Yeah, and they've got a lot of activities outside which we'll show you.
Yeah, we will. Well, we're now down at the apple orchard, and yeah, luckily a lot of the blossoms are out, or the trees are starting to sprout. Absolutely incredible place, and it's great to bring the kids. They're doing a lot of stuff for the kids with the dome over there and climbing stuff over on the other side, the little house. It's quite a nice little place, this. Oh well, time to head back, I think. We're on our way to Mount Beauty.
Yes, we just stopped off at one of the viewing spots. Just a few things. We've got here Mount Beauty is a mountain is just, I don't know if my fingers in the right spot.
Pretty much.
And then you've got Mount Bogon, which is this one here, and like Mount Emu, whatever, over there, which I don't know that one. I don't know Mount Emu very well. And then a couple of others. This
Pretty cool.
So just showing some more of these beautiful trees. Look amazing.
Well, we're pretty lucky to travel to Mount Beauty this time of year. Just check out some of those blossoms in the main street. This is just absolutely awesome. Here's some absolutely stunning trees along the way, all the blossom.
It's a nice contrast.
How cool is that? Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Got a nice snitty roll here, snitty's press.
Yeah, so what happens? You lose some.
Something, yeah.
So we're at Mount Beauty at the moment, and sort of thought we'd have a little bite to eat before we move on to our next stage. But this is not a bad little place, is it?
It's lovely.
We
In the
thought
valley
it was
here.
sort of mountainous or whatever. We had to come through one of the mountains on the ridge over there, through that way, and then we're going to head maybe up this way a little bit later on. So should be quite nice,
Yeah.
I think. Okay, we've tried to have a look for another good view of Mount Beauty. We're failing this miserably, but we have got a good view of Mount Bogon, which is that peak right up there in the distance. So looking down to the valley, it looks pretty awesome, doesn't it?
There's a truck going by.
Yep. And we've also got another information board over here. So as we said, Mount Bogon is over there. What else have we got?
Well, there's
We've got
Mount Arthur, which is the other bump there.
Yeah, Mount Arthur is over there,
And
Big Hill is over on the other side.
Kopke is that other one, and then Mount Beauty's the one you can just see behind the
During the snow season, all those peaks up the top there would be snow white. It'd be pretty awesome to see, actually. But for today, being spring,
Yep.
all that snow has melted, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of water in the contributaries.
And just a little idea, Mount Bogon is 1,986 metres.
And it's Victoria's highest mountain. Do you know how I know that? There's the sign right there. Victoria's highest mountain, 1,986 metres. That is it.
Because Hotham was 1,834 or 5, I think.
Well done.
Yes, but it had the snow on it. That hasn't got any snow on it.
I think we've been gypped. Anyway, we're going to jump back in the car and head off to our next destination. We've got another point that we're going to have a look at, to look down on this valley, and hopefully that'll be pretty awesome view.
Very pretty, actually. The video probably doesn't give it justice as usual, but
Of course it will.
Oh, okay, yes, it will.
Of course it will. All right, so we're going to jump in the car now and shoot up to the next point, and hopefully we'll get a better view of the valley. Well, we're at another lookout. I don't know how good this one is, but we'll have a little look. It was in between Bright and Mount Beauty, or closer to Mount Beauty. Robin's having a bit of a look down there. That's the main road coming in, and we're just parked over there. We've got this viewing platform. I'm just going to go over there and have a little look. I don't know what we're going to see, but I guess we're going to see it all together. It's a great view of the valley though. Mount Beauty's over in that direction, around there.
I think this is called Tawonga Gap.
Tawonga Gap, okay, cool. It's a great view down to the farmlands below, isn't it?
And then it sort of meanders around in there as well.
Yeah, trying to work out, that was that Mount
Bogon, I think. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
I think they're from.
That one right up the corner there, I hope I'm getting this right, is Mount Bogon. It's fascinating, isn't it? And we're so lucky that we've got so much of the wattle out at the moment. I'm just going to take you over and just show you this one. So if you're allergic to wattle, this would not be the best time to come into this area. Isn't that just fantastic? I just hope those colours have come out. And just to give you an idea, oh look, I think we were right, that was Mount Bogon. Tawonga Gap, Mount Buffalo. And what have you got up there, Robin?
Oh, it's just like Adelaide, Melbourne.
Oh.
Osco.
I'm glad you didn't see me get up that. Yeah, so this is a little map.
Little like a compass telling you Adelaide, Melbourne,
Mount Hotham.
Hotham's that way.
Oh, Mount Kosciuszko.
Mount Kosciuszko. Yeah.
Sydney and Canberra.
Albury, yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, next stop hopefully is Bright.
Yeah, back to Bright.
Back to Bright. Well, we've had a good look around this area, haven't we?
We have. We've been to Mount Hotham, Mount Buffalo and Mount Beauty.
Well, a lot of mountains.
And looked across to Mount Bogon and all others.
Yeah. So we're going to jump back in the Land Cruiser and head back to Bright.